Hello and welcome back to channel Innovation Hub. In this channel you will find the video related to SEO, free website traffic generator, websites, free web hosting and free domains and etc. In today's topic I am going to talk about the free web hosting for your existing or new website. If you are thinking about to create a website, this video is going to help you to create free website. If you need free domain, you can check others video in my channel, and also if you want free traffic for your website, you can also check other video from my YouTube channel. Now talk about free web hosting. To get a free web hosting, first of all go to web browser. I am using Chrome browser. You can browse this website from any of your favorite one. First of all go to your search bar and type 000 web host. Click on this. You will find the link on the first of this search ring. Click on this. You can go through the premium offer if you want to get fast and reliable service, but you can also start with free web hosting, zero cost website hosting with PHP, MySQL, cPanel and no ads. Now click on this get started. You can choose this offer. I will choose this one, free web hosting. Click on this free sign up. To create an account on this 000 web host, you have to provide your email address. Type here your email address. Then create a strong password which is contain 8 characters or more. Then retype your password for confirmation. Then click on this sign up. Now you have to solve this. Then click on this verify. Now we enter to the dashboard. Scroll down this. They have sent a confirmation email on our Gmail, so I'm going to open my Gmail. This is the mail I got from the 000webhost.com. If you can't find this mail directly on your inbox, you can check this is spam folder. Now open this email and click on to verify your email. Wait for a moment. Okay, now our email address is successfully verified. Now click on this get started. You will see these 4 options here: learn web development, build an online store, create web design, start a blog. Click on start a blog. Now choose the best niche for your website, so you can choose anyone from this list. It will recommend you to download the Chrome, but you can skip this process. Now choose your website name. Now our website has been created. You can use your website builder and upload your site manually, but I will choose install WordPress because this is the simplest way to create a website. Then add your password. You must use the password which is contain 12 or more than 12 character and include an uppercase letter, number, special character, and cannot contain database username or user fragment. Then I will also add a special character. Then click on this install. Okay, great. Our WordPress is installing on our dashboard. Let's wait for it. give some moment to complete this all the process. Okay, now our WordPress is ready. Then click on this, go to configuration page. Now add your username and password. Now we have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard. You can add posts, and first of all you have to install themes on this website. If you want any help for further process, just leave a comment on the comment section of this video. I will make the video regarding how to customize your WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day. Now we have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard. You can add posts, and first of all you have to install themes on this website. If you want any help for further process, just leave a comment on the comment section of this video. I will make the video regarding how to customize your WordPress dashboard. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day. In this channel, you will find the video related to SEO, free website traffic generator, websites, free web hosting and free domains and etc. In today's topic, I am going to talk about the free web hosting for your existing or new website.